Hey, today we are going to be making some delicious, slightly healthier cinnamon rolls, which is perfect for this autumn season. To begin, heat up 1 cup of milk until it's slightly warm. Remove from the heat and add in 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast. Set it aside to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, add in 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a generous pinch of salt. By now, the yeast should have started forming bubbles. We're going to add the yeasty milk mixture into the dry ingredients, along with a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Mix it with a spoon or spatula until roughly combined, and then knead using your clean hands for just another 5 minutes. Then we're going to cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. While our dough is resting, we can start making our filling by mixing together 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of raw walnuts or pecans, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. When the 1 hour is up, we can lightly flour a clean surface. Place our dough onto it and roll it into a rectangle about half a centimeter thick. I'm making mini rolls here, so I'm cutting the rectangle into 2. If you want to make regular sized rolls, leave it as it is and just remember to bake it in the oven a little while longer. Then sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture all across the dough and press it in so that it forms an even layer. Roll it into a log. This part is quite messy. Then cut each log into 12 pieces using unflavored floss. Place the rolls onto a greased baking dish. We're going to cover it and let it rest for another hour. Then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While they are baking, we're going to quickly mix together a 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of honey. When the 10 minutes are over, we're going to take the rolls out and pour over the sweetened milk. This will help the rolls stay fluffy. Then put them back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. We can now make our icing. Customize the ratios in any way you want. Just mix together some cream cheese, honey, and some milk. I know that making these seems quite time consuming, but it is definitely worth it in the end. Enjoy these cinnamon rolls warm with a generous serving of frosting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.